How to fix REDnote app not responding. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm going to show you this quick and easy tutorial in order to fix this problem. Now, you want to make sure that you have the latest version of the application installed to your device, because having the previous version installed can have certain problems, and that includes the not responding problem. From there, you can just go ahead and click on open, and you want to make sure that the application works properly. Now, right after that, and still it doesn't fix the problem, you want to make sure that you have a compatible Android version with the application right here. Now, to check whether you have the correct Android version, you want to navigate through your system settings, and from here you can just navigate through the update settings of your specific mobile devices. You want to make sure that you are using the latest version of your devices right here in order for you to fix the REDnote problem. And so, if this video has been helpful, leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.